This is Oluwa piano pastor. So today I want to show you how to play Oluwa Tobi for beginners. Then before I move forward, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it to all these beginners musicians that are just coming up so that learn for this progression line. So today I'll be showing you a progression line how to play Oluwa Tobi in a different way. But I'll just show you the sum and the syncopation. So let's do them. So I load the tempo so that I won't go fast enough. So I start it for drum. Tobi, that is on do. Then I went to fa. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 44. That is fa. Then la. That is chord 6. That's it. La. With this chord, oh, you can see the chord. Then to chord 5 again. Tobi. No, the time is 2 times. Then there's one syncopation people used to do. They'll do can you see? I'll say la so fa mi fa la so. Then when you are ending the song, you want to say fa mi so. Now play along. Take note, finishing. I hope this will help you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more praise and worship song. So you get. So make sure and share it to your others. Yeah, your best is yet to come. Yeah, great.